It's me. I was gonna do something else tonight, but I said no. I'd much rather record and put myself back in a hell of my own making. I have to go find a stick. Oh, what are buttons? This is fine. Oh, I think I might have to run really far for a stick. Hopefully it's just, you know, right past here. How are you not dead? Sorry, I'm also once again listening to Titanic the musical. Because I can't be stopped. I have to go really far for a stick. Why is there no stick nearby? Can I go down? Go down? Please. Yeah, I know there's danger there. Leave me alone. Herg. So many bugs there for me to eat. Oh, good. It's only a lot of danger for me. I saw the shadow. I saw it. I saw it. I saw it and I don't like it. Nope. Nope. Ha, okay. I did it. And I ate several bugs. Now don't take my stick. Okay. 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 Okay, this is not ideal. This is not ideal. I'm gonna wait for that to flash blue. And I don't like that dude's over there. Go away. Go away. I do not like that you could get in here. I am supposed to be inside TM, whatever inside means for this game. You're not allowed to get me. No! My stick! That's how I lost my stick. I have no way to... I don't even think there's sticks up here. So there's no way for me to get a stick and get it here. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's fine. I can't have anything. Nice! I want to... I'm gonna have to abandon this area. I don't think I can... Where's my map? 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 Map. I don't think anywhere over here has stickies for me to explore. Why are you looking at me like that? Quit it. But I'll give it the old college try. I'll do a flip. Cool. I bonked my noggin. I'm a little defeated. Oh, there's a green guy. It's okay. Oh, purple guy's gone. Goodbye, purple guy. Are you waiting for me over here? I know there's bugs down that way, but I need to go up. Hello, stealth boy. Have I explored over here? I have, and I fell to my death. Have I explored that way? explore this way. We're gonna figure it out. A stick. Why is that thing moving? You know, I don't know what I was expecting. Will that stick still be there? Did I lose that stick forever? Oh wait, I think that stick will still be there. Why are you guys rumbling? Why are you rumbling? Quit rumbling. You're not allowed to rumble. Oh, Ripley, are you trying to bust in? It's fine. We're off to a solid start. But I know where I can get a stick. I feel revitalized? I don't know if that's the word. I feel something. Hope. Invisible boy's gone. Wait, there's a stick here. Oh, even better. Invisible guy's over there. I almost made a horrible mistake and nearly jumped to my death. But that's fine. I think I go this way. See, I haven't recorded in almost a month, so I truly have almost no memory of how to get around, but I do remember that I need a stick. And we'll see if I make horrible mistakes with my stick. Oh god. Spot makes me want to throw up. Huh, it's the way. Oh! Sticky boy, I forgot about Sticky Boy. But it's the way this area activates my fear of heights. It's really bad. Ha! I got you. I eat you. Nom nom nom. Okay. Was that a stick there too? Was a stick so close this entire time? Do I need to go this way? And then climb up this way? No, that traps me. Okay. Up, up, up. Past the Russell Motel. No, not up that way. Up, 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 up. Past the heavy. There was a stick there too! Oh my lord. I ignored so many sticks. I'm a broken person. It's okay. Oh, I could have gone over there. That's okay. Have you? No, actually, I'm gonna go back down. Yeah, wiggle worm your way over. Woo! That's fine. See, there's an area over there that I haven't explored. Coming in? Hi, Ripley. Did you get scared by the fireworks earlier, but you're calm now? Yeah, you going to bed? Oh, dudes! Hi, dudes! Can I reach that? Okay. No, I I will. I will climb. I might have to get a second stick, though. Okay. Okay, gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Oh, he's hugging the wall. Oh, but there's a stick right there. Oh. Can you please jump? Can you not fall to your death, girly pop? Ah! I almost did it there anyway. It's fine. See, it's fine, because I'll climb up. I'll get eaten by him. Huh. Huh. Stop it. Stop it. Obey. Obey the buttons that I click. Ha. 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 Okay. So I have to, I think I can make, can I get up there? Merg. I don't know how to grab. Ha! I did it. Okay. This, I don't like this. This is very stressful. Well. Why? I don't like the chimney. This place is mean. It's a lot of up. Oh, hello. You were not in there with me, but now you are. And my sticks aren't gonna be there. So I have to put my sticks back. My sticks that I'm very bad at placing. Ow. Do I just need to go to another area? But I'm not gonna get any more abilities than I currently have. Crunchy neck. I just have to persevere. I just have to do this. Heartbroken. Okay. Well, it's fine. I just gotta make sounds. I can't do anything else but make sounds and keep trying to get through this godforsaken area. Cause I'm like, where else do I go? Is there anywhere else I haven't explored? Is there a different direction? I mean, I guess I could go explore there. Sure, why the hell not? I need a win. Oh, this is not a win. Oh, you're having a normal one. Ah! You're having a normal one in my direction. No! 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 Have a normal one in a different direction. Goodbye. Take it this so I can throw it. Huh. Oh, you scared me. this where my broken, defeated soul wanted to try and go? It is. If I am about to find out that this entire area connected to right here, I don't think you understand how badly I'm gonna make lose it. Don't. Okay, okay, oh, okay. So I go up there. You don't understand. Oh wait, I can eat berry. Go away. Oh, I know I didn't want to throw that in that direction. That's okay though. Oh, that's fun that that's how that connects. I don't like this anymore. It's the way I'm crying. Ha 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 ha. Ooh. Okay, I'll eat you. No, no, no. No, because that's over there. Does it connect? Is it all related? Well, that's not nice. It does. It does. It's that hellscape over there. And I can't get over there. You're doing fine. Goodbye. No. I do have to go up. I just have to keep going up. Grr. Grr, bark, bark. No. You see all those dudes just hanging out there? Well, I learned nothing. But you know what? I can't keep going up right now. I just can't do it. I don't have the strength. That just connects to there. That's cool. That's cool and fine. Is this just all one big area that connects? Does the chimney hate me specifically? Oh, they're fighting. Figure out what to do, where to go. See, there's a stick down there, but I think that's just, it's just over there. It's just that spot. Yeah, I'm not seeing any mysterious paths I have not taken. Possible mysterious path? I don't know if that area is glitching or not, but I just can't keep going up. I don't have the strength. You guys scared me. No! No, 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 extra no, extra no, extra big no. You leave my boys alone. You leave them alone, you stupid pole plant. Back here. Come back up. Come back up, coward. Shaken. I had no right to be as shaken as I was. Oh, this is... Okay. Lead me. Oh, did I die here before? Possibly. I'm gonna eat this anyway. Okay, actually we're gonna go sleep. We're gonna get a fresh day. Let me go up. Let me get a fresh day. Hi. Hi, little friend. I like to see more of you guys here. It makes me feel safe when you guys are here. Makes me feel very safe and sound. Oh, I'm back at square one from so long ago. But I found a new direction, so it's fine. It's fine to me. Wait, no. I wanna... Oh, wait, no, I can sleep with a stick. I just have to remember to pick it back up. Okay. I'm just a little guy. Just so little. Stick. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. I feel revitalized. I have a new direction. That's not the same. Hold on. I am not getting that stick stuck there. I am not doing it. I refuse. I refuse. I'm not doing it. I'm being kind to myself today. I'm not accidentally through. I will not do it again. No, no, no. I will not do it again. Also, I can't believe it's only been 22 days in game because it feels like it's been 1,000,003 days, but I realize that's because I just die a lot. I want to eat you. Num num num. I want to eat you as well. Num num num. Okay. I'm trying to be more aware of shadows. Especially of little is not the correct word for vultures, as I've learned they've been called. By a lovely commenter whose name I don't remember right now, but you know who you are. No. Get away. Stay away. Be gone. Yeah, wiggle your way over. Wiggle your way over. Ha! Get pranked. Why is that flashing pink? Don't do that. Anyway. There is hope. There's still hope. Okay. You are invisible! No! Ah! That's not fair. Ooh, new area. Okay. I'm revitalized. I have hope. I just have to remember Invisible Boy. I got too complacent. I got too excited in the allure of a new area. I didn't stay. What? Say with me out. I didn't stay humble. Let's go. I'm so excited. I want to go. I want to go to the new area, please, please. What happened to all my little friends? Where did all my little friends go? I want them back because they were nice. I liked them. Meow. Meow. I'm gonna eat you. No, no, no. To frolic in the sand. I'm not... The bats are scaring me. Can you grab the pole? Thank you. Slug cat. There, I have a full tummy. I'm aware of Stealth Boy? Question mark? Stealth Boy gone? I can't see his little peepers. But I should be able to grab that stick and then grab up here. I'm gonna go this way because this is where my corpse is dragged. And I'm more excited. Oh, there's some greenery up top. Probably means there's things here. Oh, no. I didn't mean to do that. Go back this way. New spot, new things. This is good. This is, woo. This is progress when I'm in new. That was almost really bad. Okay. No. Stop it. You're too slippery, slug cat. Doop, doop, doop. Yes, connect me there. New. And I hear it. Eep. Sorry, I'm just gonna keep saying eep each time I almost fall. There's no way around it. Oh, I don't know how to navigate in this area. Do I need lots of sticks? I don't think I need lots of sticks. I think sticks are a lie. Maybe this area is supposed to be navigated from above. Okay, maybe I can't go this way yet. Just this feels like from a top-down area. Connects to something else. Maybe it connects to that. No, it connects to nothing. Danger symbol. Yeah. I don't know what that sound was. I don't know what that sound was. Come here. You're not transferring over. You're just letting go. Herg. I would like the danger music to stop, because I can't be near danger anymore. I've left the danger. Go down. Up, 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 up. No, I grabbed it. I didn't have faith. I only have half a jump. I only have half a day to find a bed in a new area. Well, I know there's bed down. I it just kept going. Herg. Up. You know what? If I die due to not finding a bed, actually, I don't want to think about that. I don't want to think about getting rained in Rain World. I will find a bed. There will be a bed up here. Oh my lord. is this just food? Is this just a food resource? What does this do? For me. I'm gonna climb in here. It's gonna take me up there. Oh, didn't mean to throw you into oblivion, but here we are. This is just a food resource, okay. Well, it's not as exciting as I'd hoped. But I guess I can, you know, go back to my bed in peace before I get rained out. Oh, no. Oh, I slipped right by him. Oh, I got so scared. Sir? I'm not giving you my pearl right now. I'll give you my pearl later. That's fine. You fight him. Ha! Get pranked. Get pranked. Run, 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 little slug. I did it. I did it. Okay. I did it. I'm climbing back up. I'm so broken.